All right, hello people. Now today I have a pretty informative video for you guys, and I want to pretty much talk about swing trading. So one that I'm going to show you is that I made a hefty return was in Coca-Cola. Again, it dropped today, but it was high. When was it? Yesterday for a good while, but again, it dropped on Monday because of the earnings calls. People were worried it was going to do low. But that's what I'm saying. Don't pay attention to that. The only time you're going to pay attention to the earnings calls is if you're going to do a swing trade. And the reason for that is, as you see, it's actually higher than they thought. And the reason for that is because, again, people that are home, Coca-Cola isn't really getting affected by this. That's one thing you guys have to understand. They're selling a crack ton of Coke right now. A lot of restaurants that are open are still selling Coke. People are going to the store and buying Coke. Everybody's buying Coke. Everybody's buying Coke or Coca-Cola products. So they're doing well. And it's going to rebound. Like, this is a company that's going to rebound. But again, it's a good time to day trade it or swing trade it. And as you see, again, it dropped on Monday. And I was like, whoa, I didn't expect this drop. So I ended up buying. And when I saw it go up, when the earnings calls were above, their EPS, then I'm like, people are going to sell off quickly because it was a quick, rapid growth. So I ended up selling it at 46, at its high of 46, and I made a good little return. So that was a good time to catch this little swing trade. But again, Coca-Cola is always a good buy. And I'm using this stock a lot for swing trade. And the reason for that is because Coca-Cola is a safety stock. Okay, same thing with Ford that I'm doing right now. So what I do is, like, let's say if I buy Coke, I bought it at 46 and then it came down, then I'm going to buy more. And if I don't catch a swing trade right away, then I'm okay with that because I know the stock in a year is still going to be higher and they pay a great dividend. So that's why I do recommend Coke a lot. This stock I cannot recommend anymore. At this price, it's a big sell. It's something that I'm excited when I see it come down. I get super excited and I just buy a bunch of it. And I recommend you guys looking into that because it's just like a safety stock. If you're scared of not catching a swing trade, like, let's say, again, if you buy Coca-Cola at 45 and then it drops down to 43, and you miss that swing trade, eventually it's going to jump back to 45. Within a year, it's going to be probably at 50. So the thing with a stock like this is that it's going to be higher than the price that you bought it a year from now. So if you don't catch that swing trade, you don't have to worry about losing money because you're going to be profitable in the future with Coke no matter what. But as it's movement right now, the way it's moving, fluctuating in a percentage wise, then it's a good time to swing trade. So if you get it in a low, like right now, then buy it. And then if it jumps to 47 or 46, if you make a good return, I would say if you make more than $50, then catch that. If it comes back down, then buy more. That allows you to buy more. So that's one thing that I want you guys to catch, to understand. And again, if you, like a lot of you that, jumped into stocks that, you feel like you're losing money, don't panic. They will jump back up. It might take a little while for others, but something like Coca-Cola, I know within a year it's going to be higher. Something like Ford or Prospect Capital, it might take them a couple of years to, get back to the $7-8 mark, but they're going to get there. You just have to be patient. This is the mentality of the stock market, guys. For Coke, again, they pay a dividend. So if you keep the stock a year, it's going to be paying you a dividend constantly. So that's one thing that I want you guys to understand. The economy is going to bounce back. And the only reason there are a lot of people that are under unemployment is because a lot of people are getting paid more from unemployment than their actual job. Like, I live here in California. I know some friends that don't want to go back to work because they're making $2,400 from the federal government, and that doesn't include the extra $1,200 they're making from the state of California. So they're making about $3,000 plus on pretty much 2-week basis. So they're making way more than they were in their normal job. So the unemployment thing is not something to really worry about. I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to get their jobs back. But, unemployment is a lot better for a lot of people right now. So, yeah, just keep an eye on that, guys. Coca-Cola is one of the stocks that I'm using a lot. General Motors, kind of, what else? Let's see, where was this one that I wanted to show you guys too? Apple is something decent too, but again, to get a good profit on that one is kind of hard, to kind of catch the good profit on that. But Ford has been a good swing trader for me. I buy in their low. It's kind of common sense with Ford right now. You're seeing the patterns from this one. It's kind of hard to catch Ford in these last 2 days because it's been just coming down. But as you see, it has that little spurt up, and that's when you have to know and sell quick to make a little profit, and you just keep repeating that. But that's all I wanted to tell you guys. Like I said, Coke is my number one recommended stock. I'm never going to stop supporting this stock because, again, no matter what, it'll be profitable in the future. And if you're panicking that you're losing money, don't. It's going to make you money, guys. Just be patient with it. And again, only invest what you're willing to lose. And understand that a lot of these things that I do are my recommendations, are the things that I'm doing that I'm profitable with. I'm making money right now. I'm not losing it. And I'm being patient on the ones that I have lost. So just be patient, have that mentality, and you will succeed in the future. If you buy a lot of stocks right now, I'm pretty sure within a year, it's going to be a lot more than you invested. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. And hopefully someone can answer it for you if I can't. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.